This is a 2009 Lexus IS 250. It has a 2.5-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, direct injection, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, front fog lights, rear impact crumple zones, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, a home link feature, and this vehicle has fewer than 21,000 miles on the odometer. This Lexus has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Schreier Automotive is located at 6524 L Street in Omaha. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.